Sure if I'm still live, but I don't look at my last live. Fast forward to the end. Well, first of all, good morning, everybody. You tune in to the headquarters. All right, we got my little dweeb nephew right here. He just woke up, and we had technical difficulties on my previous stream. As you guys were saying, I was looking into getting in a short. Let me show you guys what's happening right now with the Great Britain pound versus the yen. It's falling as we speak. It's fell about 50, well, I would say 40 something pips since we last was here. While I'm paying attention to the Great Britain pound, they have a energy crisis right now. They have a lot going on. They have leadership change. They have a new conservative leader coming into the phrase about 4 countries, Italy or whatever, all those guys. But I think Italy is the one that's got a new representative or whatnot. But and we saw strength in the yen last week. We saw this big flash crash. We saw this big flash crash yesterday. I mean Friday, and it's been under pressure. We got a little bit of that. We got about 300 bucks, about 300 pips in earlier during the Chinese session, but it reversed completely. And if you would have bought that dip, you would be up about 600 pips, I would say, if you would have bought from down there, because that's about a 600 pip drop. But on the day, we're positive. Me personally, I expect for this to completely reverse, guys. And I need to be paying attention to NASDAQ 100 tech stocks. See that we bounced off my resistance. Hey, Chewy. Oh, NASDAQ. I was looking to go short here. I wanted to touch up here, but we hadn't touched up here just yet. Let's go back to the Aussie versus the yen. Indecision, but we need to see what the daily sentiment is. The daily sentiment, undecided. It's undecided, and indecision to me, indecision to me means risk off, Casey. Indecision means that risk off. It means that people aren't taking risks, nephew. All right, people aren't taking risks, man. We need people to take risks first, then we take risks. Okay. Give me 5. Boom. There we go. He know. Casey knows. But yeah, on the 5 minute, let's go to GU. Guys, let me know if there's anything you want me to go over right now. And I need to flip the stream over to I need to flip the stream over to public. Uh-oh. Yeah, let me flip the stream over to public here. You okay, buddy? All right. But yeah, guys, yeah. You want to jump on down? Yeah, the pound is losing momentum, guys. And we may have missed the move, actually, because it's looking like, yeah, it's looking like it's falling. We just don't want to be, we don't want to be that guy. We definitely don't want to be that guy. Look at that fall. You alright, little dude? Look at the fall, though, guys. Big time fall in the as we predicted. We're just looking right now. We're looking. Okay, that's 50 pips right there in our favor. We didn't pull the trigger on. So is this gonna be support? I'm pretty sure it's gonna break through this, but you ready to get down? Get down. Go play. You and Chewy. Oh. Yeah, guys, but I'm a little occupied. You guys may hear him yell about something. Want to come back or what? Yeah, but you can see we looking at the yen. Come on. Come on back. Yeah, will this go back up? I'm not sure. Let's go to the nasty NASDAQ. The top 100 tech stocks. See what this doing. A little bit of indecision. We got 12 minutes. We got 12 minutes until the open, guys. So we're going to see some movement. Yeah, the pound just gave us 40 pips. Well, the yen just gave us 40 pips. What is Jpy Usd? It didn't move very much, but I'm hearing rumblings that that's going down to parity, guys. I'm not one to I don't really like trading currencies during the United States session because I've seen it move so slow. I've been conditioned to think that the pound and the yen is going to move slow during the United States session, but as of late it has been moving quite a bit. But we don't have very much Fed talk this week. We'll see how much. My next video I'm gonna go over the news that we have for this week and whatnot, but I'm still bearish. I'm thinking this thing could touch how far down can we go, man? We can go back down 150 or something. We can go back down to 150. 150 pound equal a yen. So that's what, a $6 drop off? 6,000 pips, 600 pips. Which one is it? Which one is it, man? But we are here and we are live. We gotta show up, guys. No matter what, we gotta show up to the market, no matter what obstacles in our way. Pretty cool obstacle right here. Let me make sure edit post or edit privacy. Yeah, this ought to be public for public consumption. But yeah, man, NASDAQ pumping a little bit. We can go back to this pound. Rejection. Okay, let's see if this is a dip buying opportunity. You want to watch the show or what? Or you want to watch the charts, Casey? Because we watching the charts over here. Hey, you want to look at Bitcoin, guys? We can look at Bitcoin. We check Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing as the pound. Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing as the yen. As the Aussie. That's why I always follow currencies before I even get into the equity market, because they typically follow each other. Typically. You ready to get down? We on. Somebody done pooed it. Hey, nephew, man. This is my nephew, y'all. He think he runs things. This is my nephew. He think he running it, y'all. Don't know where his mama at. Oh, this what we have. Let's go, guys. Let's go. As you guys can see, we are looking. As you can see, we are looking at the pound. The pound has rebounded. Okay, a couple pips. Might be setting us up for a sale. What do y'all think? What you guys think gonna happen? I think it's setting us up for a nice little drop again. Can we reach up here? I'm not sure. And let's go back to the NASDAQ. This is the most important. Will this thing fall? I need to be sure to look at the daily chart here, see do we got some move. Oh man, today's been a big nothing. It went up and went down, but let's see. That's a lot of movement before anything opens up, guys. Nothing has opened up fully. That's a ton of movement. The NASDAQ is moving so fast, guys, right now. It's ridiculous. Oh, okay, so you about to sit off a trade, nephew. And you gonna pay for that. Let's see. Get back to the pound. What is the pound doing? Repairing itself. You kind of want to see continuation in these situations, but we just on the wait and see fest. Yep. Baby Pips. Let me put this in here. Babypips.com/learn, guys. This is how I learned everything. Babypips.com/learn. Free website taught me everything. Let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, it's getting ready to reverse some more, huh? Oh, man. Your breath smell funny. Look. Falling. Baby Pips. Putting this on Twitch and YouTube.com/LEARN. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But we are looking at the Great Britain pound. The Great Britain pound was under so much pressure, but the Great Britain pound has decided to reverse. Analysts are saying that the pound should equal $1 pretty soon. They saying it may be later on this year or whatnot, but they saying expect more pound weakness. And like I say, when they say, you know what I mean, I pay attention to that they talk. They always say, who is they? Ooh, look at the NASDAQ. Okay. Big old fart fest. Now, don't nobody buy this. It might go back up, but don't buy this dip, man. Don't buy this dip right before the open. We got 5 minutes before this thing open. Matter of fact, it's 5 minutes before I pull the trigger too. Try to get in on the right side of this here. NASDAQ, guys, you finna see it live. You about to get ready to see it live. What are you talking about? I'm trying to show them what's going on. How y'all doing out there today, though, guys? Let me know what's up. Let me know what's up. Cause we looking at the top 100 tech stocks. Top 100 tech stocks, guys. And it's starting to bleed off a little bit. Somebody asked me on YouTube, when was that Thursday, our last broadcast, is the sell-off over? I think that the sell-off shall continue. Well, go on, let it out. Go on, talk, man. I'm tired. Oh, people sending me signals, bragging. Okay, man, whatever. Okay, 6 for 6. Oh, they shorted gold. Let's look at gold. Oh, yeah, they trying to short the pound, too. Hey, the pound is constantly validating itself to get shorted. I'm telling y'all right now. We got 2 minutes before the open. Case and I ain't finna, you fall out of this chair, it's on you, buddy. Cause I might fall out. 2 minutes left. Let me get ready. Let's see what we got. He wants to sit in my lap, but he wants to also watch his TV show. So something's not working out here. Something's not gonna work. NASDAQ. We're gonna wait. 1 minute left, guys. Don't pop up right like that as soon as the 1 minute come. Let's go. Everybody getting ready to posture up. Everybody's doing what I'm doing, loading up their phone, loading up their computers. Everybody getting ready to posture up, guys. This is the time. The market open. Thank you guys for tuning into the headquarters. The market opening is continuing to fall. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Let's see, Casey. Oh, no. Oh, little Nelly. Okay, the NASDAQ popped some. Who wants to sell that rip? See how high this thing might go, though. It's officially the open. Somebody is acting like a baby because he just woke up. Okay, the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ rip. Hey. Play all you want. It don't matter. I'm the boss here. Ain't nobody gonna fire us. Bring my nephew to work today. Meet Casey. You looking in my face? What? Hey, I'm trying to look at the computer, not you. I'm trying to look at the computer, not you. What do we got here? NASDAQ. What you doing, man? Oh, the NASDAQ is popping, y'all. What is the pound doing? Wheel. NASDAQ. Let's go. They clapping their hands now, but somebody about to get ready to shed some tears here in a second. Somebody getting ready to shed some tears here in a second. Stop poking me in my eye. Wow. Whoa. The NASDAQ popped. Check on this pound over here. That's what I'm thinking. That thing shot on up. Wells Fargo's down, Chevron's down, Apple's down. All of this stuff is down, but we see the NASDAQ pop at the open. Somebody's not being fooled, or somebody's finna get fooled into buying this. Now I should sell this rip. And that's what I think's finna happen. Wheel. Alright, I need to get in a new short here. Does this thing have potential? Let me go back. Oh, I'm looking though. Uh-oh, this thing finna ready to fall back down or what? Let me wait a second. I'm looking in again short on this NASDAQ, man. The NASDAQ is popped. I'm wanting to get in short right here. I'm thinking long and hard, right? Glad I didn't get in the short. The NASDAQ is flooding. Glad I didn't get in a short, guys. Whoa. Hey, you better slow down, man. Glad I did not get my fingers on the trigger too. I'm looking at it. I got it set up right here. I'm getting ready. Hold up, nephew. Hold up. You want to get down and watch that or what, man? Huh? Get down. Go watch your show. Go watch your show so I can put on the show here. Alright? Now, how far up? How far up can we go now? Let's just see. Let's just see. The live trading app. Somebody just tried to holler at me here. What is this about? Okay. I may look into this if they send me some. You guys just shared my video. What's that? Live trading streamers. Alright, let me know if you guys want to work, man. I know y'all watching. As far as technical analysis, I like to live trade, and we're looking into getting in the NASDAQ 100 sale. Okay, you want to sponsor? You want to sponsor? Bada bing, bada boom. But right now we're looking at the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ is surging. What's up, baby? What's up, little baby? He wants to be a baby. I'm finna take him outside. We gonna walk big time. Me, him, and Chewy. Get your cup from over there with Chewy. Get your cup. Go get your cup. The NASDAQ is surging like crazy, guys. And yeah. Come on. Thank you for doing that. Now we need to step back. Ah, crap, I just opened up another browser. Now we must step back. This thing finna pop up on here. Okay. Broke through resistance. I was trying to sell at that top line. Okay, will this thing go back down? Some whale came in and said put some respect on the NASDAQ. For the time being. Yeah, you guys can see we still holding this short up here. Boom, boom, boom. But this rip right here, oh, this ain't nothing. Shoot, I almost just pressed that. Almost just pressed the sell button, guys. And it, what, you done with your stuff?
Nope.
I'm in the middle of trade.
Okay.
But
I can let him hang with me while I'm on camera.
go, boy. Go with your mama. Got rid of him.
Hello.
Close that door for me.
Hey.
Man.
Yes. Yes, sir. I just stepped out. Everything okay? Oh yeah, I made it in. I made it in.
Boy, the NASDAQ is going crazy right now. I know I'm probably looking crazy because, man, keep that door closed whenever you can.
I'm gonna take it back in here with me for a little bit. I send him back when I get back. Come on, sir.
Oh, it's starting to fall here. I just asked you. Hang on here for a second. I ain't finna even say nothing, man. I ain't even finna say nothing. This NASDAQ. Okay, we've reached the point at the NASDAQ where we are at. Okay. Now what do we do? Now what do we do? I almost just pressed sell. If this fire, look at this, look how this finna close. Looking like it's wanting to go back down, man. But you gotta be careful because you'll get burnt quickly, super quickly. Jumping in something like this, selling it. Very close though. Very close to entering this trade right here. So close.
His granola bar.
I don't know. Ah, the NASDAQ's done.
He got oatmeal out here?
Nah. These people, man, steady wearing me, man. Trying to decide what I want to do here. Talk to me about nothing but trade, bro. It's starting to fall. Might be missing a move right now as we speak. It's looking like we may be getting ready to tumble here. Yeah. Okay, guys. And then I'm seeing that Elizabeth Warren, the Democrat, she is starting to like yell at the Fed for like, you don't have to yank the economy into a recession in order to get inflation down. I don't know what she's talking about, man. But we're starting to really interject politics into Fed policy. That's gonna, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna really ruffle some feathers the wrong way. So, but she's not gonna be able to do anything about the Fed. She won't be able to do anything about the Fed. I'm just looking though. NASDAQ is facing a little bit of rejection, but it may be time to sell this thing, yeah. Yeah, it may be time to get ready to sell this pretty soon. Boom. It's showing us what it wants. We are at today's high, so you know, whatever. Are we at today's highs? It feels like it. Yeah, we are pretty high up on today. With this market and all, like, remove. Will this be the first positive day in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? In 5 days, like, it's been 5 days, guys. Will this be the first positive day? This may be the first positive day, but this is all reaction off of yesterday. I mean, the day before Friday. Because Friday was a bloodbath. You know, after bloodbaths, you get days that it rebound. Boom. Rebound, but it failed. Today may be one of those rebound days. But I would so love to get in a short. Let me look at this hourly chart. How far up this thing can go. I'm waiting on the market sell-off. I may risk a little bit here and load up for a short. we just sitting here and waiting and watching. That's what a lot of trading is. The majority of trading is sitting and waiting and watching. A lot of times you just sit and wait for so long, and then 2 minutes, boom, your trade is over. Like last night, I may be being extra hesitant, like I said, because we already won. And as a trader, I just hate to just over trade. There's no need to over trade, constantly trade when I already won. Like, why must I give away my winnings? There's no need to give away our winnings like that. But we are watching. We are watching here. Like, I remember every day was a new all-time high with the NASDAQ. Like, every day, all-time high, every day, all-time high, every single day. So whatever. I'm wanting to go short, but man, I'm glad I ain't went short yet. Look. Well, you don't see it, my bad. Let me look at the 5. I wanted to go short, but I'm glad I didn't go short yet. We broke through this little resistance right here. Let's see. Boom. Broke through that. Might have to take this thing off right here, man. What no? Oh, let me put this on Eastern time. $9.50. $9.50. Let me know what you guys want to see. If there is any let me look at Bitcoin. All risk assets are surging. Now let me look at the daily chart here. NAS 100 running 1600 pips. One of my buddy. Yeah, he running pretty hard too. Winnie. Yeah, he sent us a short though for Great Britain pound. He probably ain't liking what he's seeing. Send us what your Great Britain pound trade looking like though, boy. Man, it's looking like alright. I see. Looking alright. He ain't just out of control. When did he say he wanted to short that thing though? That's a very short stop loss too. On the hourly chart. He sent this out when this thing was down here, because he thought it was gonna continue down, but it just snatched up on him. Oh, and the NASDAQ is pumping. You know, as traders, man, we be wrong. I don't really know what's really gonna happen 100% of the time. That's why I'm not your financial advisor. If I was your financial advisor, we'll have safe assets or whatever. But yeah, this thing is pumping a little bit. I'm glad I didn't go short. The Great Britain pound doing a little ranging. A little bit of ranging, but I'm ready to get into a short. Get into it. So they saying that Saudi Arabian stocks are headed to the first bear market this year. Dog, let me see how long we've been in a bear market. We've been in a bear market for a while over here in the United States. Shouts out to the NASDAQ though on that bounce back. Not sure what everybody optimistic about, but check your holdings. You may be doing a little bit better. And today is the day that I would sell. If you're in Bitcoin and all that, or if you're in any coin and you're in the green for it today, take your winnings. This really is, it's showing me indecision up top up here, man. It's showing me that it really don't know what it wants to do. And with this pound being weak like this, weakening, we may have a play here. We may be creeping up on a play here. We may be creeping up on a play here. Wait till the rush is over. Time is 10:30 right now. Yeah. Well, 10 o'clock almost. Eastern time. Well, this laptop is saying something. But yeah, we're just looking, guys, right now. We're looking at the NASDAQ do its thing. It's been a good day for stocks. Well, so far. We have the stock market is up against so much. The stock market is up against the Fed. It's up against inflation. It's up against Putin trying to do things in. But as you guys can see, the market is resilient. What goes up must come down, and what goes down eventually comes up from time to time again. And as we can see, the NASDAQ Monday morning sustained weakness. Well, it rejected weakness wholeheartedly in our face. We saw the pump at first, but I thought it might be a pump and dump like always, but it was a pump and sustain. And it's sustaining as we speak on the 5-minute chart. So sorry for you guys. I hated y'all out on the buy because I was all bearish. So I'm pretty sure I talked some people out of buying this. But you're gonna thank me once this thing begin to fall down. Big old thank you. Big old thank you. I may head to the Bloomberg terminal and do my the closing session so that I can gather a little bit of information, insider information from those computers. It's looking risk on. Now, if this would have happened around, you know what I'm saying, yesterday, that's why the market is so funny. It's about levels right now. So right now we're in a great mood. America is in a great mood, but let's see what. I gotta look at the bigger picture. Let me see here. I need to handle some, y'all. Monday morning, nice and positive NASDAQ reaction, guys. Stocks are up. Stocks are actually up. Oh crap, I ain't even live no more. I am still live. Yeah, stocks are up, guys. Stocks are doing awesome right now. I'm not in anything. I wonder who all is in some. Because if you're in a buy, kudos, like I said. Yeah, I'm on this. I'm looking at this Facebook, and that's why I don't never get on it, because it just, I really see a lot of stuff that I don't like. A lot of thirst, a lot of desperate individuals on here and stuff. Come on, guys, get it together, man. I don't need to talk too personal though on here. That'll make some people mad at me. Look. And what level are we at on this pound? The pound is the pound is back up 100 pips on the yen. The US dollar's beating up on the yen too. That's the more consistent trade to take, I would say, without having it, because I've been holding them trades. I mean, what am I running? I'm finna look and see here. Like 500 pips. We got 700. Oh. Yeah, we got 700 pips, 400 pips, 800 pips on the USD JPY buys. So this trade right here is a little bit more friendly to us. We just should see consistent strength in the dollar. The yen may rage, pump, but the dollar is going to be consistent with us, I presume. Oh crap, I'm still not on camera, my bad. Let me make sure my mic is on. Yeah. Yep. The US dollar is surging against the yen. Let me see if the US dollar is beating up on. And I just, we bouncing from zone to zone. Let's look back at the NASDAQ. Complete surge, still surging. So the past 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the past 35 minutes, the past 30 minutes, been bullish momentum, and that's been since the open. Honestly, it opened at 9:30 Eastern time, 8:30 Central time. So they talking about 100 basis points in 2 days. That is what the yen kind of like, the velocity of the movement, man, was just unprecedented. What's up? How you been? Man, you know how that goes, man. Yeah, what's up? How you been? Sound like a game getting played. Whoa. I hear a dog. Y'all give me a second here. I don't know, the only dog supposed to be here is me. I'm the only dog. I was confused. That was my neighbor's dog, y'all. I'll be right back though. What are we waiting on? What are we waiting on? Rock? There go the NASDAQ. Let's go back to it. NASDAQ steady tricking me out. Hey, it's tricking. We you know what? I may have to stamp it, guys. We may not be placing any trades today. We may not be placing any trades today, guys. We may not be placing any trades. Let me see. Yep. Let me just say it in my phone. It may be wise for us not to take any trades today. Because I keep getting tricked out. I keep getting tricked, man. And I ain't in the business to get tricked. My Twitch is offline. I'm not even streaming to Twitch. That's why I ain't getting no love. I don't never get no love, man. Have to reset, but it's too late now. We too far gone. I was wanting to go short here, man, but we just got a lot of waiting to do here, guys. Like I said, if you want me to look at any of your favorite currencies or any of your favorite stocks, I'll be sure to look it up for you guys. But this market is doing quite well. Matter of fact, let's see what the community is talking about here. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, the NASDAQ just flooding on us. And look, we would be so wrong. We'll be down so much money, man. Like, here go my boy. Trades by Matt.
I felt like I kind of just escaped from that stop. I feel like I escaped pretty closely with this stop here. I mean, I was 2 points away. We just ran $500 in profit. I took $200 out of that. It's the first trade of the week.
Yeah, see, he went ahead and bought this dip.
I escaped this stop loss by 2 points. And then I see my take profit, which was honestly, to be perfectly fair, a very arbitrary take profit. I didn't think we were actually going to push that hard up there, but we did. I mean, I missed that by a few points. Hit me, and we can start pulling back on it. That's a kill. Just 100% a kill. So I'll take my 10 points on the NASDAQ, and I kind of feel like that was I kind of feel like I stole those 10 points.
Yeah, he feel like he stole 10. He stole some points for real. Like trading his NASDAQ, he stole that buying this dip.
I was gonna get stopped out. Ended up sweeping really quickly and put me in the money.
He got
I've been a little less greedy at 500.
He just hit for 200. I hit for early. But man, now he just they just watching like me.
Perfect by any means. The last couple trades I've had, I felt like they've been like pretty perfect trades. This was not a perfect trade, but we'll cash it in and move on.
Let's see how close I am
Kelsey, that's the stream sponsor
to my
today.
stop
Kelsey,
loss.
it's
Come
gonna
on,
be
boy.
in chat. This is a hashtag ads.
Come here, nephew. Come on.
We're going to spend 30 minutes on it today. Basically, if you go ahead and sign up with that link, it'll get you $25.
Let me pause my guy though. Yeah, he let me see who else won. He got in the buy. Trades by Matt. He won. You got Tame the Art. This guy's full of it though. All he does is well, I know he's a bull, so he wants to buy every Bitcoin, and he has Ethereum, the symbol, tattooed on his face. So he's gonna be doing a lot of talking about buying.
But yeah, this has been one of our biggest uptrend candles.
See, he's talking
the
about.
beginning of the stream today.
This has been one of our biggest upstream.
Right there.
He happy that Ethereum and Bitcoin pumping a little bit. But is he gonna just complete? Are we gonna just ignore what happened like a couple of hours ago? All right, let's look at come on, no need to ignore that. All right, this right here. Listen to them guys saying bye. I ain't with it. I'm not falling for that. I wish I could short this NASDAQ so bad. I want to short the NASDAQ so bad, man. Today is just not the day though, guys. I repeat. Yeah. Forward that over to YouTube. Forward that over to YouTube. Guys, hey. We're just watching and waiting here. NASDAQ. Is the pound seeing any movement? Is it bouncing off? Ah, sheesh. That's what I really want to jump in, but I want to jump in short NASDAQ and short Great Britain pound. Whoa. Am I tripping? What the hell just happened? 100 pip move? What? Man, I want to throw my phone. Wait a minute. That can't be right. The pound is falling, guys. The pound is falling. The pound is falling as we speak. I should have jumped in 5 minutes ago. Hate trading this session. I just missed 100 pips though. Oh, and then it just shot up 30 pips. This is a very volatile environment. I'm only gonna do a low amount of pips on this one. No need to trade heavy. What is the NASDAQ doing? Because that was a big rage move. Hang on, the NASDAQ has me at a loss for, the Great Britain pound has me at a loss for words here. Big extreme loss for words. We just, bruh, it was just, Was this the retest to 160? Because, man, I'm sorry guys, I had to do a little bit of thinking there. Cause 100 pip move, am I tripping? I just seen 100 pip move. Man, I'm trying to make sure I'm not just tripping. Just golly. And the NASDAQ did a big bounce back too though. So the NASDAQ is strong, but the pound is under pressure. What is the Aussie doing? The Aussie just felt that pressure too, guys. Yeah, man. Let's wait and see here. Might be a good day for range trading. Sell some up here. Let's see. 35. Then oh, the pound. The pound is an account taker, dude. The pound is just moving 30 pips off the just meat rack. Let me comment on here. The pound is going berserk, like my favorite anime. The pound is going just completely berserk. Let's go. These moves are massive. These candles are massive, guys. Now, if you would have caught that short up here, still you'd have been up, man. 60 pips or something. No $3 pips. What's that? We are here, guys. Your tech stocks are doing awesome. Your tech stocks are doing awesome. The NASDAQ is doing awesome. I mean, the S&P 500 is doing awesome. Ooh, something going on back there. Oil is at $80 a barrel. Oh man, I was saying that too on my oil analysis. Oil ain't gonna go no farther than $90 a barrel. I'm telling you right now. At the moment, China did just relax some of their COVID policies and whatnot, so we could see this thing pop up. I heard some guys talking about selling gold. Gold is that looks ugly. Oh man, that don't look tradable. The pound, the pound looks okay to trade, but we got like an hour left or something before the official close. We did get rid of our daylight saving time though, so that has something to do with something, right? Shouts out to you if you bought the NASDAQ today. and held. Congratulations. We gonna see this fall though tomorrow. Man, what do I need to see here? Let me go to this hourly chart. I'm gonna do some things off camera, but this thing may be finding a new bottom here, but I mean, we're finding a new top. That was a lot of movement last week. The big wigs are expecting continuation. I am expecting continuation. As willing, I'm not sure how much I'm willing to risk on that though. Okay, that's 10 more pips that went up. Now my spread is adjusting. As if it's, I don't know why my spread is adjusting like that. But man, whatever. Now and everybody's saying now, just like I was saying that the yen may, the Japanese may act, the Bank of England may act with the pound being under this much pressure. Let me make sure I put this in here. I just heard it, so that is something very important to us because we must pay attention. As soon as they say that they're gonna act, we're gonna buy the pound. But man, I'm not sure. Buying the pound, man, they ain't got it figured out, I don't think still. The NASDAQ is still doing well, guys. If you're in the NASDAQ buy, congratulations. Because that was just totally against what I believe. And when you're getting ready to place a trade, guys, be prepared to lose the set amount on your stop loss. Be prepared to just see that money already gone. Because don't over trade and then just think that you're going to win and just set your stop loss to an unbelievable amount. You're like, oh, I won't ever get hit. Because your stop loss will be hit. You train these pairs, you know, you train the pound or you train the NASDAQ, it shoots up and down like no other pair. The Euro USD, well, we got a lot of velocity in a lot of these pairs. Well, no, it just looks like this, but this is only a few pips compared to this, man. The pound moved. Wait a minute here. Now I need to be trying to get in a Euro USD short. Shoot. Let's look. We already down like at 96 cents. Alright. I need to be shorting that pound. Cause the pound is just beating up on the yen. It just shot up another 10 pips, so that's 30 pips. Now we wait to see if the Bank of England gonna act. The Bank of England won't act probably until we get close to parity. Great Britain pound surging. It just wiped out all of the red that we just had. I've been on live for a while too, but we really just watching this market here. Yeah, we watching this market, guys. The Great Britain pound is now at 86 pips on the day versus the yen. The most volatile, the most strongest. Well, you got the USD is pretty strong too. You got USD strength followed up by pound strength. Very sticky situation. Very confusing situation. We must look at the pound versus the dollar, and it's only a 10 pip move throughout the whole day, which means that it's unchanged. What's up? Oh, it has dropped 20 pips right then. The pound just dropped 20 pips. It's now at 80. Well, it's now at 67 pips on the day. That right there was 20 pips. Euro USD. That right there was about 5 pips. So you guys can see why people really like to trade the pound versus the yen. Thing moving, and it may be moving down. It's moving. I'm really not excited and jumping into this show because, okay, man, here we go again. Me being nervous and scared. We gotta see what we're gonna do. Yeah, it may be a good day for range trading. Now everybody's saying that the BOE is getting ready to step in. Like, okay, you better push the pound all the way up. Better make that thing move. Talking about stepping in. Like, come on, man. We need continuation. These temporary moves is all, all fun and dandy, but you gotta really be careful not to get frustrated in this market. Cause the only good trades I'm holding is the USD Jpy buys and that NASDAQ sell. I got a couple of those that I'm just holding. But as you guys can see, the most recent was last week's. Took it on live. What's up, boy? It's my nephew. What's up? Say hey to everybody. We may be entering the range fest. We don't have very much news. We got don't pull that out. Hey nephew, do me a favor, don't pull that out. Yeah, though we got a lot of A lot of ranging.
Mama.
You ready to go play? Go. Go do your thing. Now I hear his feet. I missed quite a few calls. Okay, what we got? We got a little bit of continuation here. A little bit of continuation here. Hello? Hello? Oh man, what you talking? I said that I ain't look at the stream because I hadn't been short. I didn't go short or nothing. We went short last night, and you seen what happened last. Let me mute this. How much bread you? Man, yo, I'm back, guys. Okay, the pound pushed all the way up a little bit. Like, man, that thing, I mean, go back up to 100 pips so I can short you again, pound. They say put the pounds in the trash can. USD is up 64 pips. And they were saying that out of the G10, the Canadian dollar is one of the most, I don't know, outside of the US dollar. And the Canadian dollar is under pressure. Euro CAD. So, ooh, that's a trick pair too that I deal with. Euro CAD. I have it in the Bloomberg terminal. I ain't even got it out here. Let's look at gold right quick and see what gold is doing. Just a bunch of non-movement. Uh-oh. What's all this with my phone? Like, I'm gonna give everybody, if you like everybody, I'm gonna call y'all back, please. Really just trying to see what's going on. Little bind. Slow down, man. Big pills, cuz. Whoa. Whoa. What is gold doing? So you actually see us. Oh, fuck. I'm reading all my messages out loud. Man, the pound has fallen another 50 pips while I'm sitting here playing, man. You know, this is one of my most painstaking sessions. This is one of the most painstaking times for me because I have to really refrain from placing a trade. And I just told y'all what was gonna happen, man. Let me get up and walk it off. God, man. I told y'all, man. I told myself that. And I also said that I wouldn't be placing any trades. What a wimp. What a wimp, man. What a wimp. Let me text back. I want to see this thing go back up, like, man, because I sit around here and watch like we watching this move live. I don't even know how long I've been live, but I'm dedicated to y'all. I would be doing this anyway. I would be sitting here anyways, watching this. So I might as well just spread the experience and just show you guys the methods and whatnot I use. My method is sit here all day, just sit here. Apparently, not act during the United States session. I like to trade during the London. I should have known though.